看见那个大吊车没有？已经过来了，就是要升大白了。这次大白的大宝剑又要开始了。Danish! Last year we have a good composition. This year we go on. Okay? The first I need the wood. Like this year, also for this part. They got to move it down, just clean everything, you know.
If we have a little sand, like we have to do the sanding.
Yeah. You know what to do. Yes.
So we have to cork it. Look.
Yeah. No, this is like a painting. Last year I was doing it by my own, so it's wrong.
Okay.
Yeah. So whatever you want to do, okay? So the wood is the first. Then I want this repair this for me, this small part. And then all these areas you need to clean for this. You're polishing whole the area, especially and the front side. You see the my ankle, everything.
As stainless steel, we have to polish.
Because the mask, you need to go all the way, you know, to clean everything. And you know, yesterday I was crushed and the top there a little bit, even no see, but I just worry about when they hurt. But anyway, I will let it out. Yeah. Okay. And then go ahead, this one clean. The wood is here either, yeah? You see the wood?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
This one, they can wash for me. It's okay. We can wash, and I want to change for this.
Or you want to change it or only clear?
I want to change this part.
Okay.
This is okay. It's okay?
Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah, this is good. It's a 5 years, nothing will happen.
Yeah, this is good. The boat is full polish.
Yeah, boat also full polish.
You know some like injury and that side. You can fix with it.
Yeah, it's a gel coated wrapper.
I want a sofa and the front.
Sofa?
Yeah, let's go for it. For this area, can you make a whole area like?
We can make a sunbed.
Yeah, sunbed.
Like this?
Yes. Yeah, don't cover the my auto tag. Yeah. So the sunbed, the color, what are we going to do?
Foam with 4-inch foam.
Yeah.
It will be this shape.
Yeah.
Up to here.
Okay.
Okay.
So what are the color we got to make?
White better.
White is good. Let's make the white.
White. Yeah. Umbrella. White.
So let's go ahead.
Yeah.
Oh, this part, they can fix with this.
Yeah, this stitching we can do.
They need to clean it.
These people are taking, no? You said this.
And then they can fix with this and clean this my lazy bag.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. My toilet have the problem. It's leaking all the times.
Yeah.
It's leaking. You see the auto is coming.
Why you want the manual? Electrical converter.
I want electricity.
Yeah. Okay. Again.
Electricity, right?
Electrical. Just to push it.
Okay. That's what I want. Electricity one.
It will be here button.
Okay.
It will be toilet.
Yeah. That's what I want.
Electrical toilet.
The black auto is inside here. Yeah. You know that.
Yeah.
Okay. So the AC. We're talking about the AC.
Yeah.
The AC is here.
Yeah.
This is the domestic. Last year I put. Okay. So this AC comes out for this side here, and also one in the front.
Yeah.
So I want use this room to separate. So maybe the AC is on the top, but I have a air compressor here. You see?
Diving compressor.
Yeah. So this has to be stay here, so you can make maybe a separate with the new machine.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man. All good. Go with marking, yeah. You know that. Nice to see you, man. 入库了，大白入库，大白给吊起来了。大保健的时候到了。今年的大白下面很干净嘛 ，It's clean 啊。大白现在在岸上了。啊，等到我从国内回来的时候，你将是一个完全崭新的大白。大白被吊走了。大保健失控，大白辛苦了，该你享受的时候了。